Hi, and welcome to part 2 of the snow globe cookie activity. In this video, we are going to be showing you how to make your chocolate scene for the snow globe cookie.
So you're going to lay out your pretzel sticks on the parchment paper or tin foil so that they are ready to receive their leaves.
So once we have melted our chocolate and scooped it into the Ziplock bag,
you are going to just cut a small hole on the bottom of the Ziplock bag carefully, and then you're going to go back and forth along the pretzels. Once you have made your little winter scene, whether it's trees or snowmen or stars, you will set them aside for them to harden. The next step is to make our cookies. For this step, follow the instructions on the package. Once your cookies have fully cooled, you are ready to frost them.